Hi lovies, good to have you back. So in today's video we're going to be doing a simple makeup look with a pop of color. Not too much though, just a little color. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Joy, and if you're a returning subscriber, take my heart, it's yours. Thank you for always stopping by. So for the rest of the video I'll be using voiceover, so let's just go into this video. The first thing I did was to moisturize my skin. Like I always say, if you have 2 minutes to do your makeup, use 1 minute and moisturize your skin. You will love it. You see how that skin looks now after skin prep, ready to take in that makeup. Yeah. So these are the foundations I'll be using for this look. Then I'm mixing the two together, and you see where I'm starting, because that is where I have most discoloration on my face. So I always start my foundation there and I blend with my beauty blender. Blend. Can you see that? See this part and see the other part. You see what the foundation has done? Then to contour, I'll be using a darker shade of foundation. You can use your contour stick or a darker concealer, but me, I prefer to use a darker shade of foundation. Can you see that? You see the shadow it has created. Then to highlight, I will add my concealer to the places I need to brighten. That is just what highlighting is, the places you need to brighten on your face. Then you go ahead and blend it all. And I did my concealer first before my blush because I want to try this new blush hack that will come close, almost getting to the nose. So I started with the darker shade of blush. See where I added that, and then I went in with the lighter shade. Of course, I started to blend, but it's not bad actually. It's not actually bad. It turned out to be okay, but not what you would like to do every day. You see that? Then to set the face, I had to set everything. I used Mirac setting powder for this. You need to set it so that the concealer and everything will not be moving up and down. You need to set the liquid products you applied on your face. You see how that looks now? It looks even more better. Beautiful. It's time for brows, and I always do my brows off camera because I have a lot of video on this channel that teaches you how to do that. So we are gonna jump this process. Now we're done with our brows. See how that looks beautiful. Then we'll move to the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna blend my eyelid using my foundation. You can use your concealer for this, just to get rid of the darkness. And this is the eyeshadow primer I'll be using from bed 9. Then I blended that on my eyelid as well. Don't use too much of eyeshadow primer, it's not advisable. Just use a little and make sure you blend it out so well. So after that, I had to snatch my nose using a dark shade of powder, and I blended that to the eyebrows. You can see what I'm doing. Then I went in with a dark shade, dark brown eyeshadow. This is pretty what I did on this eyes. I didn't do much. I just did 2 colors. You can see I blended that from my crease towards the outer and inner corners of the eyes. Then I added this orange shade at the tip of the eyelid, just like you're seeing, just the way I am doing right now. And then I went in with that brown again to get rid of every harsh line so that there'll be no harsh line. Harsh lines are not needed. Make sure you blend them out all the time. So this is the eyeliner I'll be using from Kerrite, and I just did like a small wing, and I brought that all the way down to the inner corners of the eye, just very tiny line. I didn't do much. And this is the eyelash glue I'll be using, and the lash I just added glue to that and I kept that while I use my finishing powder to brighten the under eye, and of course some other parts of the face, the center of the face actually, those places I needed to brighten them more. And I use powder also to set every other part of my face. I added powder also, like you can see, but not too much, not too much. Everything you're adding, make sure you're adding just a little. While we are still waiting for that lash to get tacky, I had to smudge my under eye using a brown eyeshadow. This process is very necessary if you want your eyeshadow to be a bomb. After that, I applied my mascara to get rid of every eyeshadow fallout on my natural lashes. Then I went in with blush to pop up the colors, okay, and see what we're doing. I'm just putting it exactly the same way I did it when I did the liquid one. That's me feeling myself. Then going down to the lips, we are still waiting for that lash glue to get tacky. I added quite a whole lot of glue on that because I waited and waited and waited. I had to move on. So I'm lining with a dark liner. You see that? Then I went in with this brown shade. I blended it on the whole part of the upper part of the lips and then some parts of the lower parts of the lips also. Yes, make sure you blend your lips so well. In makeup, blending is the key. Don't joke with blending, don't. Then I went in with this shade, which I later changed, but I did it first. I felt like I have a lot of that color on my face, so I needed to brighten it up a bit. So, but I don't know whether it looked better or the one I did later looked better actually. So the glue later got tacky, so it's time to fix it. So let's do the lash. Let's do the lashes and see what it looks like. So I didn't use thick or very full lashes. I love my lashes scanty actually and not too long. Yes, this is just exactly the way I love my lashes. You can see me feeling myself now. Fine girl. Then this is the shade I went in with again on my lips to brighten it up. This is like a whitish nude. If there's anything like that, it's nude but it's whitish. Yes, so I blended that only on the lower part of my lips. I didn't take it to the upper part. Then I added the bronzer to the tip of my nose and also the bridge of the nose. Just a little for that glow, you know. We want that glow, baby. Yes. So this is the setting spray I use. It's a dewy setting spray from TM Essential. I didn't want the look to be matte. No. I want it to be glowy. So you see that? Look what we created. Look at that. Tell me you don't love it. Tell me you don't love this. Wow, look at that. I look stunning. I don't even need you to tell me. I can see that already. This is beautiful. And this trend of bringing your blush down to this place is it's really not bad, though not everyday kind of something, but it's not that bad. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment for me, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Till I come your way next time, I am still your favorite makeup artist. I love you guys. Bye. In front of the mirror, lights low and bright. It's showing shadow, showing you the life just right. Blending those colors till the look takes flight. The toe wheels that shine like stars in the night. Joy shadow, where beauty meets the vibe. Your makeup game